Hey guys, yeah, just wanted to do an unboxing video. I just got this content maker vlogging kit in the mail not too long, a few weeks ago. Just haven't had a chance to unbox it till now. But it's supposed to be like a stand for your phone with a mic and a LED light and stuff. The LED light has 3 color diffusers as well. So I thought that was pretty cool and stuff. So, time to unbox. And I already cut the tape off, so. This is really hard to do one-handed. And don't mind my messy desk in the background here. Okay, I need to put this down for a minute. Hold on. Yeah, I actually had to use scissors to get all of this stuff out and whatnot. And right now I'm charging up the light, so it's not attached. But yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like. Got the microphone with the adapter ready to plug into my phone and stuff. So, yep. The phone holder is kind of hard to maneuver, but I tried it fitting my phone in it and it works. So, here's hoping this will help out with my future vlogging. Hey guys, well, looks like I got my vlogging kit all set up and everything. Hopefully the mic still works. I just don't have the light actually sets to fully charge it first. So, yep, this will definitely be interesting and will definitely help with more vlogging. So, see you guys.